Welcome. This is Lorraine Aguilar, and this is One Gratitude. And this is my tiny little car. Go ahead and type your gratitudes into the comments. I look forward to seeing them. I'll be sharing mine with you, playing you a Mexican song today, and then scrolling through your responses for some shout outs. So I don't know about you, but I could use a deep breath. So you're welcome to join me to come to the present moment into our mindfulness. It's amazing how just one breath can change everything. So I'm here at Raul's again, and I'm in my car because it's an extremely windy day today. We've got beautiful offshore winds that might actually be a little too strong. So I'm recording inside because the winds would probably make the sound very difficult to hear with that much wind going across the mic. So my gratitude today is for birds. I was really thinking about that this morning. One of the real gifts of my retreat here in Mexico is connecting with nature, and I really got hooked on noticing the birds in my neighborhood. There's a colony of kestrel falcons, and I actually saw like two of them like mating mid-air. I mean, they're such beautiful little birds of prey, and the white egrets, the snowy egrets that fly across the ocean in the mornings and also in the evenings, beautiful white wings, and of course the flocks of seagulls, large flocks, so many seabirds. So I've really connected to birds, and I just love it. When there's no television and other distractions, I can notice these things. So that's my gratitude. What is yours as I play this little Mexican song of heartbreak and longing? Here we go. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll do a heartbreak and longing today. Here. Este amor apasionado anda todo alborotado por volver. Voy camino a la locura, aunque todo me tortura. Sé querer. Nos dejamos hace tiempo, pero se llegó el momento de perder. Tú tenías mucha razón, le hago caso al corazón y me muero por volver. Y volver, volver, volver a tus brazos otra vez. Llegaré hasta donde estés. Yo sé perder, quiero volver, volver, volver. Tequila! It's that kind of song, as my grandmother would say, a tears in your beer song. Okay. Welcome, everyone. So happy to see you all. Oh, including some of you who know this song, Sophie. Okay, welcome, class. Happy Ron, Sophie Crazy Chica, and Ben Rodlitz. We got a great group today. So the first gratitude that I see is, let's see, from Happy Ron. He says, gratitude is for daily songs sung to me by a lovely lady on Instagram. Who might that be? Oh, Ron, thank you so much. Since you have so many songs yourself, it delights me that I could add even more music to your musical life. So thank you. Okay, we got a little awesome from Crazy Chica. And Klaas, NVC, from all the way from the Netherlands, which I love, he says, grateful for generosity. Excuse me. Oh, absolutely. Where would we be if it wasn't for the generosity of others? And how beautiful it is when we are generous. Because, when I think of generosity, I think of a heart connection and empathy. We're usually generous when we want to contribute to someone's well-being. And that's a beautiful thing. And I'd like to see more of that in this world. So thank you for that beautiful gratitude, Klaas. Okay, there's still room for any more if you want to type them in. I'll go ahead and start our little closing blessing. So on this beautiful day after Thanksgiving here in Mexico, it's extremely sunny and extremely windy, which is why I'm indoors with you all right now, to protect from the wind. And may this mindfulness practice, this gratitude practice, help us to be kind. May it remind us to take good care of each other and ourselves. And may it resource us to do our part, whatever that is, to facilitate humanity rising. Let me check one last time. Okay, those are all the gratitudes I see. So may you have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are. And thanks so much for joining me.